Anyway, they're also a world leader in storage solutions, energy storage solutions. We have a reactor in the sky that has unlimited energy. We just need to be able to store it so we can peter it out over time. And these products are versatile, suitable for residential, commercial, utility scale applications. And they have customers out years into the future. And they're building another gigafactory in Shanghai just to build the megapacks like they have in Lathrop, California. And they're already the leader, and they're about to become a much bigger leader. And this is high margin business, high growth business. And remember, utilities, the size of utility markets globally is 100x the size of the car market. So think about that. Also, they do solar products, not a big part of the business, but it's a challenge. But they do have those, and they're integrated with things like power walls, etc. And there are customers already that sell their energy back to the network. Also, while the competition is retrenching, shutting down factories, cutting down production lines, cutting down hours,